Introducing Dahlia Waltzing Mathilda, a vibrant and colourful semi-double dahlia. With its relaxed informal shape and twisted petals, hues of peach, bright pink and a hint of crimson stand out against dark foliage. It's sure to make your cake or sugar flower arrangements pop. And with fewer petals, it's a budget-friendly sugar flower for your cakes too. As with all of my online classes, each stage of the process is broken down into easy-to-follow step-by-step videos. From making your own flower paste, forming the centre and stamen, shaping and arranging your petals, and dusting for a realistic finish. I have also included PDF cheat sheets and guides with links to the tools that I use, and you now have access to a class community where you can ask me any questions, connect with other students, or just share your beautiful creations. The class is also accessible from the Zenler app, so you can now access all of my classes and community from your mobile or tablet.